Good morning, Junior 1, and welcome to your mathematics for today. Let's warm up our brains a bit by ordering these two-digit numbers. Which one comes first? Have a look at all of the numbers and see if you can order all of these numbers. Okay, let's do it together. 21, 34, 51, 52, 76. 12, 21, 34, 51, 52, 76. Well done. Look at these three digits. Which is the biggest number that you can make with these three digits? Yes, 700, 973. Okay, what's the smallest number you can make? Yeah, 379. It's all about understanding how the number is made. And this one is made up of 3 hundreds, 7 tens, and 9 ones. 379. Today, our learning goal is I can locate numbers on a 0 to 100 number line. Is that knowledge, skills, or understanding? Yes, it is. It is a skill. It's a skill. I can or I am able to. Okay. Look at this number line. So we've got 0 to 100 and we've got this different colour spaces. What do you think each space is going to, how many numbers is each space going to be? Yeah, I think so too. Each space is going to be 10. Let's count it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Where will these numbers go? Let's look at this one because it is a 10 and it's easy to place. So let's go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So this one, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This one goes here, right in the middle. Yeah, we know that 50 is half of 100. We know it goes right in the middle of our number line. Okay, right in the middle there. 25. Well, 25 is halfway between 0 and 50. But we also know with this 5 here that it's not a 10. It's not going to be right on one of these lines. It's going to be where on one of those lines? It's going to be halfway. That's right. So 10, 20, 30, and in the middle will be 25. That's right. And 75 again is halfway between 50 and 100. So we're going to go 50, 60, 70, and this is 80. So it is in between those two. Okay. And these are in the middle. The 5s are in the middle. Okay. Now these are our numbers that were on our number line. Can we place these ones on? These are all 10s, so it's nice and easy to do. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and that 50 goes here. Well done. Okay, you need to follow these instructions on the page. You don't need to copy the page out. You can copy this page out if it helps you. It says draw the number line on A3. Don't worry about the size of the paper. This one is good enough. So draw a number line out from 0 to 100. 10 spaces is a good idea. And then it says mark in black. So marking in black these numbers. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 in black. 50, and that's 25 and 75 that we've done. 10, 20, 25 and 75. 60, 75. Okay, then it says in red, mark 99, 48 and 20. So we know 20 is there, 10, 20. Now, 99 and 48 are going to be a little bit harder because it's not halfway through. It's closer to or further away from the 10. Remember yesterday when we did the to the nearest 10? So 48, where is 48 nearly to? Yes, that's right, it's nearly to 50. So here would be halfway, 45, so it's going to be a little bit further along, about there, 48. Okay, and then there are some more numbers for you to add on in red and green, and then follow these instructions for the other number lines. There's also another video that you can watch and listen to put details on to the number lines. Okay, have fun. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.